All right, y'all. It's we're now what, May 17, right? Just wanted to show you the job we did here with the OSB. Multiple pieces. Had to cut this one big long piece in two just to feed it in and among all the crap that's already there. The gas line, this 110, the power coming in. We weren't going to undo any of this stuff to make it all fit. I mean, we got plenty of stuff just coming right through the wall. Air conditioning. There's a 110 line. Is it a 110? Yeah, there's a 110 line there. Right. I think that, if I remember correctly, is we've got a breaker here for the old, that one there on the top that's shut off. It's for the electric fence for the old pig pen out back, which is our woodchuck's house now. Every time you put the power to that breaker, it just pops. So it's obviously shorted out there, and that's got to be what that's for. There's no other reason to send just a small 15 amp or whatever it is 110 line out there. It's 14 wire, so it's got to be 15 amp. So we got it all sealed up all the way around the back. Like I said, this side of it, I couldn't get any screws in because it's about right here, and you can't get anything in it. So what I did is I measured that piece, and I ended up two piecing it to make it really, really tight fitting. It's the tightest one that I've got up in there. There's still some gaps, and obviously gaps here. So tomorrow, today's the 17th, being Sunday, I'm taking Cherri to Home Depot to pick out a color of paint for the floor of her she shed out there. I'm going to paint her floor out there tomorrow. So Monday I can pack all her stuff back under her bench, get that room put together, start working on her little curtain rods. Then it's up to her to get the material so I can make her little curtains that go under there. And then we'll also get us more wire wool. The bat guy said stainless steel will stop the mice, although the mice, they don't like any kind of wire wool at all. But if you pack it full of stainless steel wire wool and then use expanding foam to block it off, because the foam won't stop mice. The mice will chew on any. Their teeth never stop growing, so that's why they're always chewing. That's why they'll chew on your wires, and they'll chew on concrete, and they'll just chew on everything, because they have to knock those teeth down. Otherwise, they become all teeth and no ass instead of all ass and no brains. Uh, but yeah, we'll get this sealed up. Specifically, this outer wall stuff really needs to get sealed up because eventually, before next winter, we're going to have our walls filled with that expanding foam. Our furnace run not nonstop, but it's pretty bad. It runs pretty often. So it isn't something we really want to deal with. And we know, as old as this house is, it's probably got some pretty crappy insulation in it. So there you go. That's the plywood work that we did, sealing it all in as best we could around, the things that we couldn't do anything about. And then we're just going to I'll fill up all the gaps. And then we'll probably, just to make me feel better, I'm going to run some kind of tape over all the joints of everything just to make sure it's sealed up. We really don't have mouse trouble anymore. We as I said, we use the feeders that have the poison stuff in it, the food that it's some kind of anticoagulant or something. It does something to their blood and makes them. It either makes them clog up or makes it something, but it tears them up from the inside out. Didn't get the grass cut yesterday. Didn't get it cut again today because, as you see, I'm loading up videos now. Patrick and Al came over and did the sticker kit. Rich came over, helped me get the cart out of the trailer. Thanks, Rich. Appreciate that, man. And it was kind of windy today and gray, and it looked like it was going to rain. And I didn't want to leave Patrick and Al, in the china shop out there, like I just abandoned them to go finish cutting the grass. And the reason I didn't get it cut on Friday was because I stopped down the street here, east of here, at the neighbor's. I saw a metal roof on his house, and he waved at me when he was cutting the grass, so I pulled in. And I spent 2.5 hours down there after, almost 2 years of living here. It's the first time I really stopped and talked to him, met him. Met him and his wife. They're young, 30 and 35. He's 35, she's 30 years old. They have their own company. We'll get into that some other time. But they really wanted to pick his brain about the metal roof. And he loves it. He says it'll outlast your house. So you'd be stupid not to go pay the extra money and get the metal roof, not deal with the shingles. Once we get the roof, whatever we're going to do, whether it's asphalt shingles or metal, then the bat guy's got to come out and seal up whatever's here. Because if we have them do it now, and then we have the roof worked on, they'll charge us full price to come back and reseal it all up again, and we don't want to deal with that. So me and Cher, kind of the hemming and hawing's over. We know we want the metal roof. We're just now starting to look at finding companies that do it and get estimates of how much it's going to cost and what have you. So working away until we get the bat guy putting in those little trap doors that let them out but won't let them back in after they seal up the house. Guy said we really don't have a what do you call it, a colony, so to speak. He showed me pictures of places he had been to just an hours before he came here on Friday, and the guado, the bat poop, was literally it looked like it was about 2 feet high, the pile, whereas mine was just some droppings. He goes, you've got maybe a handful of bats, and bats only have one baby, and they have one a year. So we don't have a colony, but there's some that have made a home here. And that thing flying around in my house freaked me out, man. It's actually freaks me out sitting here talking to you. We've been keeping this bathroom door closed with the rug rolled up in front of it, trying to keep whatever it is in here and out of the rest of our house. We sleep with our bedroom door closed now with a towel tucked underneath it. Yeah, I know. It's amazing how some rodents... irritating rodents can take over your house and take your sense of security away, right? I mean, you don't want me running around this house in my underpants in the middle of the night shooting at a bat, put a bunch of bullet holes in the house. But that's the work we did. It's 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, actually 5, 4 and 5. And then, of course, that 5th one, that tight one, was actually another 2-piecer just to make sure it was good and tight. But don't know why I didn't do this right from the get-go. It's like I put in the description of the video. I'm one of those, unless it's a go-kart, you can't fix what ain't broke, right? If it hasn't given you a problem, don't bother screwing with it. Well, when the bat guy saw this, he said, yeah, they're coming right, he said, they're coming right down through the holes. I mean, they'll get right through there. No problem. They'll get right through the open corner of this round, where this round return fresh air return deal is. So we've got some work to do, but it is what it is. It's country living, right? You probably the bat guy said he's from Texas, and he said the one thing I've learned about Michigan is I think everybody in Michigan has bats. The people who don't know it just don't know it. He said, but he's been up here about 5 or 6 years, and he said looking around in our kitchen here, we got all these pictures of cows and stuff. We're fans of the cows. And, he says, being from Texas, I'm freaked out about cows. And, and you're from Michigan and you're freaked out about the bats. So he says, every house has got bats living in it. People just don't know it, So, yeah, we're looking forward to getting it all, having the peace of mind, and being able to sleep at night and not worry about getting bit by a bat that's flying around over top of your head. This place is really good reputation of getting them gone and then not coming back. So hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. Just wanted to bring you a quick video to doctor up with the one where I showed you the open wall just to see what we got done there. So that's it. That's it. That's all we got for you. Loading up videos. I got 3 windows open, loading 3 videos at a time. It's going to take a while. This wireless internet is SLO slow. Hang in there, y'all. Love you. Praying for you. It'll get better.